Hello children, in our last class we completed the exercise 13.1. In that exercise we studied the total surface area of cube and cuboid, and the other exercise is not in our syllabus, and we will discuss the exercise 13.5. In this exercise we will discuss the volume of cuboid and cube. So let us start the exercise 13.1 with the question number first. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter multiply with 2.5 centimeter multiply with 1.5 centimeter, means length, breadth and height is given of a matchbox, means one matchbox की one length, height and length, breadth and height given है. What will be the volume of a packet? What will be the volume of packet containing 12 सच बॉक्सेस, यानी कि मैच बॉक्सेस से 12 मैच बॉक्सेस से एक पैकेट बन रहा है, उस वॉल्यूम, उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना है हमको, इसका जो पैकेट बन रहा है उससे. ठीक है ना. सो वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन बॉक्स, then we will multiply with 12, then we can find out the volume of that box easily. ठीक है. So first of all we will calculate the volume of one match box. ठीक है. So L length of box, match box, length of match box is equal to 4 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 2.5 centimeter and height is equal to 1.5 centimeter. These dimensions are given. So the volume of one matchbox is equal to, we know the volume of cuboid, L cross B cross H, L cross B cross H, means 4 multiply with 2.5 multiply with 1.5, or you can write down 4 centimeter multiply with 2.5 centimeter multiply with 1.5 centimeter. ठीक है. So this is the total surface, total volume. This will become 10, and 10 multiply with 1.5, then we will get 15 centimeter cube. ठीक है. 2.5 multiply with 4, 10, and 10 will multiply with 1.5, then we will get 15 centimeter cube. Sorry, volume is volume is the 3 dimension. So volume we calculate the volume in cube form. ठीक है. This is the volume of one matchbox, and we have to calculate the volume of a packet that contain 12 matchbox. ठीक है. So the volume of 12 such boxes, such box is equal to 12 multiply with 15. So this will become 15 to the 30, 0 carry 3, 15 1 the 15 and 3 80. ठीक है. Centimeter cube. This is the volume of that packet that contain 12 such mesh boxes. Question number second. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long. एक वाटर टैंक है, उसकी लेंथ गिवन है, लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 6 मीटर. ठीक है. ब्रेड्थ इज इक्वल टू 4.5 मीटर, एंड हाइट, डीप मीन्स हाइट, डीप और height is equal to 4.5 मीटर, ठीक है. Then how many liters of water can it hold, ठीक है. लीटर में कैलकुलेट करना है हमको. So first of all we will calculate the volume of this tank in meter cube, then we will convert this in liter form, ठीक है. So how we calculate the volume of tank, and tank is the in the form of which the what is the shape of tank? Cuboid, ठीक है. And this is L cross B cross H. This is L, B and H. H means height. So put the values. 6 multiply with 5 multiply with 4.5, and you can write down meter also here. Meter multiply with 5 meter and multiply with 4.5 meter. Calculate this. 30 and 30 multiply with 45. 30 multiply with 45. This will become 135. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 135 and 0. ठीक है. And 1 decimal we will use after one place. So this will become 135 meter cube. ठीक है. This is the volume of this tank in meter cube. Now one relation between the meter cube and liter. What is the relation? Since 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, that's why 135 meter cube is equal to 135 multiply with 1000 of liter, means 1135 000 liter. So this is the capacity or volume of this tank, ठीक है. Question number 3rd. A cuboidal vessel, vessel means पतीला, जिसको कहते हैं पतीला या बर्तन. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long. So length is given L, meter, ठीक है, and 8 meter wide. Wide means breadth is 8 meter, ठीक है. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meter of liquid? यानी कि height is not given here, but volume of this vessel is given here. So volume is 380 meter cube. Cubic meter means cubic meter cube, ठीक है. So we have to calculate the height here. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? Height we have to calculate, ठीक है. So volume is given here. Volume is equal to 380 meter cube. The formula of cuboid, volume of cuboid is L cross B cross H. So put L cross B cross H, and this should be equal to 380. Put the value of L and B here. L and this is B. Put the value of L. L is 10 multiply with B is 8 and H will remain same. We have to find out this value 380, ठीक है. So H is equal to 380 upon 10 multiply with 8. 1 0 will cancel out, ठीक है. 2 4s are 8 and 19. So this will become 4 4s are 16. 3 remainder, ठीक है. 4 7s are 28 and 2 remainder and 4 5s are 20, ठीक है. So 4.75 meter is the height of this tank. sorry, vessel.